Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here, and I'm going to make another video series where I'm going to teach you how you can make your professional system like form submissions, automations, booking automations, your pipeline, your stages, and I will implement on real projects and we will test everything and I will show you each step of automations. For example, we are going to submit form and we will take care of all steps. So without wasting time, let me dive in our first video and I will show you how we can make form submissions automations and how we can automate full system if customer reply, how we notify our teams, how we can add leads into our stages and how we can move our leads from one stage to other stage. So let me dive in video and I will show you step by step how we can do that without wasting time. First of all, I can show you what we are going to learn on this video. First of all, we will discuss about the form submission trigger and select the exact form what you want to track. I will guide you step by step on this, and after that what we can do, once our trigger is select, then what we need to do, we will go through this system. In a first step we will add tag and we will assign lead to our team members and send confirmation email to leads and send SMS to leads and notify our team as well. And the next main step is that we will add into our pipeline and we will create opportunities and we will wait if the customer reply our first email or not reply. I'm going to discuss all these things, and here is we will add into pipeline, we will create pipeline stages and we can add them there as well. So without wasting time, let me dive in our GoHighLevel. So first of all, what we need to do, you can log in into your GoHighLevel. I just simply log in into my GoHighLevel. I just go into my account. For example, I just go with this account. And in this account, so first of all we need to create form where we are going to use form and we are bringing form into our system. So first of all I just go to the sites, and in sites what we can do, and here we have like forms. It's this automation will be work same for all these system, not just forms. You will implement for survey, for quiz, and even for chart widget as well. So I will create folder first and we'll say that course of short videos. So I just create a short video course, and in this folder what we can do, we will add some our. So I just log in our course folder and I will create first form. Here there is a two option we have. One we can add from templates, or other one is that we can add from. So here we are jump. So here what we can do, we will create form. Here we have two options, one create from scratch or we can use template. So I'm going to use templates. You can create from scratch, it's up to you. So for example, I'm just going to use we can say that I'm going to use this form, like this medical form. Choose this template and it will take few seconds. After that it will be loaded into our system. So it will take some time to load, and after that we are ready to edit it and we can change it. Everything what you want to change, everything is customizable. So you can just simply click on it and you can change it according to your requirement. If you want to change this backend objects, you can also change this, but right now I'm not going to change anything here because we are going to learn automations, not how to design form. So what we can do, we can just simply go into setting, and here we have some preview sections or whatever you want to change, and think you can change it. And here we can found our submissions. So I just save it, and this is the form name, pain management clinic. And I just go back and I simply just go in automations, and here we have automation section, and we are going to add automations. So for example, I just create here a folder and we will say that every time you make automations or everything, you need to be a professional. You need to be make clean system that work for your clients, for you to understand, and in future if client want to extend it or remove it and change it, it can be easily doneable. So we will say that form submit automations for video. I just make this folder and I will create our first workflow. Here is we already have templates, but we are not going to use any templates. I just simply go into going to start from scratch. So first of all, we need to give them a name. We can say that 0.1, and we can say that form submit for, we can say that pain clinic form submit. Okay, and then first of all we need to choose trigger here. So first of all we need to choose trigger here. So just simply I click on it, and I will say that form submitted trigger. So I just simply go this one, and we will add filter here, and we will say that form is, we can select form. So our form is pain management. We can select it. If we cannot select form, it will be selected, auto selected all forms that we have in our system or in our sub account. But right now we have just select one form here. And after that, so for example, user submit a form. So what you want? So first of all, what we need to do, we will add tag. So we will say that add tag, we will just simply write tag, add contact tag. We just simply say add contact tag, and we will say that form pain form submit. Pain form submit. We will create new tag. This will be tag added, and also in a professional way we will add here. We will say that form submit tag added. So when someone came on here, he know what tag implement on it and how it's work. So here we have defined it, form submit tag added. So in the next step, what we can do, we will say that so tag is added, we will assign to our user, and it should be like we will say that assign to user. And now it's depend on how many users you have into your system. So I have this user, so I'm just going to assign to user, for example assign to Aslam. I just added Aslam here, so I just simply say assign to Aslam. Okay, and in the next step what we need to do, and now lead is came, we have add tag, and we have assigned to team member, and we need to send internal notification as well to this guy or any team member. We will say that internal notifications. Send internal notification, and which type of notification you want to send. It's recommended you can send them two types, like you can send via emails, via SMS, but in my case I'm going to send via email. And here what we can do, we will this is internal notifications, and we will say that form submit internal notifications via emails. So we will say that it's a form submit internal notification via emails. So it should be go via email. We need to select form emails. So I just say user, this could be a current user login into system. So in my case I'm login here, so it goes from my emails and from my names, and we will say that you can select your email here as well. So I just simply go to user and select the emails, and here is you can send notification to all those, or we will show to particular user. So I just simply say particular user, so we can say that I just send notification to Aslam. And here we have subject, we say that for now I'm just going to submit this, and I will say test notifications of leads. Whatever notifications you want to send, I just write this message. I just ask ChatGPT to write message for me. So here they just write message, and they will get this new for submit pamphlet details, and whatever you want to add you can simply add it here. So in my case what I can do, for example you want to add a lead's name here, so just simply click on it, and after that you can go here and we will say contact, and we will say contact full name, form submit names, and or you can select form name as well. pipeline detail, custom value, whatever you have, you can select it here. So right now in my case, I'm just going to do this one. I'm just remove these things, but you can add it according to your requirement, whatever you want to add. So I just add this one, and yes. So right now here you can see we have clear instructions. If you are doing for clients, so you need to do you can just go here, you can add sticky note here, and you can put notes here, sticky notes. I just say that yes, here is a sticky note, and you can link with that here. And on sticky note, what you can do, we can write, please add your own copy in this email. Not in this email, you can add your copies in emails and SMS, because we are going to use this for all the system, and we are not going to add any copy. So that's why we ask our client to, they can add their copy into system. And in next case, what we can need to do, and okay, so internal notification sent via email. So similarly, we can submit internal notification via SMS as well. Okay, we will add wait trigger here. This is a wait action, and we will add wait here. Like we can say that you can wait 2 minutes, and after that you can send. We cannot simply write just wait. We can, what we can say, we can say that 2 minutes waits and then time delay, and you can send again internal notifications. Emails, and similarly you can select the user email, username, user email, and all user. It's up to you. You want to send assign user, particular user, or custom email. So for now I'm going to use all, and we have already copy. I just simply paste it. What we have missing here. Okay. Yes, we need to add subject line, but right now we are not going to use email, we are going to use SMS. So that's why I just add copy here. You select copy, and you can, I'm going to assign for all user. We don't have any template, so internal notifications for SMS. So here we have emails, here we have SMS. You see, we clearly understand what's going to happen on this system. And in the next step, what we can do, when notification sent, we now we have leads, we need to add into our pipeline. So what we can do, we will select, where we can say that we will create, we will say create and update opportunities. We can just simply go here, and we already have pipeline. So for example, we will we had funnel flex pipeline, and we want to stage into new leads, and we have opportunity name, and if you have lead source where this is coming, so this is coming from form, so you can select form here. But right now what we can select here, form, and open. If you want to add value, you can put it here, otherwise it's open, and we can add it here. Create or update opportunity, and we will say that leads add into opportunity, and we can say that so this step is also done. We have custom value as well. Not custom value, we have tell them you need to do, you can add your lead into your opportunity value. And in next step, what we can do now, leads we have in pipeline, so we need to send them confirmation emails and SMS to our leads. We will say that send emails, and first of all, first step, what we need to do, we will add change here, confirmation email, Send to lead. Okay, I just select this one. I'm going to select this random, but you can select your own, your professional and user that work for you. And we will say subject test, and we will put here, and we will add it here. Similarly, we can say wait, and we will add 2 minutes, and yes, we have waits. Then 2 minutes. 2 minutes wait, and then we will send them SMS confirmation. SMS was already there, so we will send then confirmation SMS. So that's the part 1 of form submission workflow. We have done. We have professional form submissions right now, and you can see we have add form set tags. We will assign to user. We will send internal notifications via SMS, via emails. We will add into opportunity. We send confirmation emails and SMS. So in the next step, what we can need to do, so we will add condition here, and we will not add conditions here. What we can do, we will add another workflow in the same. If you can just make it public as well, but right now I have another workflow. I have just created a new one. So first of all, we will change the name 002, and we will say that reply to lead. If lead reply, so what we need to do, we will send, we just go here, we will say customer replied. Okay, and we will select channel where they reply. So here what we can do, we can select if they reply on email. If they reply on emails or login email, whatever you want to add, I can say that business email. So we can select that exact match, or it's totally depend. We will say client reply, select channel, and we will select emails. Simply you can say that reply to workflow or just reply channel. So we will select reply channel, and we will select this. And similarly email, we can select email. So okay, here we need to select email again. So that's how it works. We can say that customer reply on email. So if customer reply on email, so for and this, and we need to select form as well. Hashtag, and what we can say that customer reply, those have tag. Like we will say that what was the tag, our tag is a pain form submit. So it will check the customer reply who had tag this one. So we can select this one, and if they reply, then what we need to do, we need to assign to a user, and we need to update opportunity. So we will notify, is already assigned, we will notify to our team. We will say that internal notifications, and we will say that email, via emails or SMS, it up to you. I'm just going to do this step quicker. You know what you need to do here. And I just select this one, and I just say templates. Okay, test, and I say this one, and then we need to update our opportunity as well if clients reply. So we will send them and ask them client is replied. So what we need to do, it's up to you. So that's how you can make your whole system, how to form submission system work, and you need to take care of each step. If because you are a user, your client will be understand, your team will be understand, everything will be understand if you do in a professional way.